Good morning. Don't know if you can't see much, but yeah, woke up about 7 o'clock, packed up my tent, everything. Now boiling some more tea. It's just too dark. Yeah, now boiling some more tea. Hold on, can I turn this? Yeah, so boiling some more tea. Then I'll have some beans and bread after tea. I'll fill up basically I'm boiling the rest of my water. I'm gonna fill up my thermos with it. There's still some space left. But yeah, during the night, it weren't too bad really. I was thinking if I could put a selfie on, whatnot. So during the night it wasn't too bad. It was a little bit cold sometimes, at the beginning especially. But later on, the trick with the thermos basically to put it on my feet, and that worked. So it warmed me up quite well. But when the thermos started cooling down, like early morning about 4 a.m, it started getting really cold again on my toes. But yeah, still survived. Weren't too bad. Now the only issue is because my shoes were still wet. So my toes are freezing again, so as soon as I'm done with my breakfast, I'll start walking and obviously warm up that way. But yeah, it was quite quiet. Could only hear a few owls. A couple of animals I think came close, but nothing big. It's probably like just rabbits and stuff. As it went big footsteps. Yeah, it's quite an interesting experience. Yeah, learned quite a few things. Get everything extra socks, even though I already had extra socks. Get extra socks, get extra hat, extra neck warmer, basically get extra of everything, because once it rains and it gets wet, it's fucking horrible. But yeah, time to have some breakfast. This is the view that I woke up with. Up there you can't see much, but yeah, the trees look nice. So down over there is water. That's where I'm going today, the reservoir. Over the other side of that there's a road, so you can see some cars now and then. Yeah, that's where I'm going today. So now you can see things back on the GoPro again. So yeah, this is the forest I spent the night in. Looks amazing. So yeah, now going to Lady Bow Reservoir, which is basically the lake that you've seen before. That I could see out of my tent as well. And yeah, so now heading back to the footpath, going down that hill over there, and yeah, and basically following the reservoir, going to the dam, then back to the Village of Hope, from where I'll head back to London. Yeah, fun times.
Easy, it's a necessity. You don't see what we see. You're your own enemy. So
like that was a house before. It's definitely a few hundred years old, isn't it? Partition for something. What is that? Wonder what year this goes back to. There's more rooms over there. Another room. Look at that. Built-in shelves. That's another room. There's a lot more walls, and to see there's some structures was over there and there. This probably was a village at some point, or a small settlement. So I know. See, that was the gate to something. There's a lot of laid out rocks and paths. It's like a border marker as well. These are rocks, holes in them. See, there was a hinge before. More holes. There's definitely quite a few houses here. Alright, let's carry on. And it's raining again. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Love it. Oh, the sunrise is at least nice. just got to the dam, I guess. With some really gorgeous views. God. That is something. So I just got to the dam. I think I got about 4 or 5 kilometers left to the Hope train station. And then I'm heading back to London. The weekend trip's almost finished. It's not raining, that's good. Well, it still rains a little bit, but I can't really count that as rain. All nice and warm now. Yeah, we're heading home soon. Try to take the most in the last, what, 5 kilometers left of all these woods and the sunrise and all this. So yeah. People are really lucky to live here. So just had one of the locals say that this path that I'm on now is the shittiest part of Derbyshire. I guess he meant the mud. There's quite a bit of it, but I don't know, so far it's not that horrible. When you got mud, you just gotta embrace it, really. There's nothing else you can do. Just go through it, get dirty early on, and you won't care. It's the way it works. Over there is yesterday's first hill, loose hill, and I went all on top of them ridge tops. Yeah, that's Mamtor, done the Mamtor, then down and then carried on a bit more down that way and then down the valley. So yeah, came out on the other side completely to finish off. Back at the train station. It's nice to get a footpath right into the train station and to the platform. That's cool. Oh, that's it. Got back to the train station, back to Hope. So my train's in about half an hour. So I'll just have some more tea, have some snacks, try to see them, find some information on what was over the settlement bit, what was over there. I'll try to Google for something about it. It looked quite interesting. I like abandoned places. Over there you can see Loose Hill, the one that we did yesterday. Yeah, trip's over. It's fun. I need to plan the next one, hopefully soon enough. Take care.